Lesson 4. Organizing slides for presentation. Like a Word document, in PowerPoint too you can format slides to make your presentation effective and appealing. In the previous grade, you have learnt basics of PowerPoint. In this chapter, you will learn to apply formatting. This chapter also enables you to organize slides of your presentation. Slide Master. The Slide Master is an element of a template that stores information, including font styles, placeholder sizes, bullet styles, the position of text and objects, background design, and color schemes. When you insert a Slide Master, it contains two placeholders. Slide Title Placeholder. It contains the title of the page. Body Text Placeholder. It contains the text, objects, charts, tables, pictures, and other components. Tech Fact. Press F1 key to open the Help window in PowerPoint 2016. To apply Slide Master, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the View tab. Step 2. In the Master View group, select the Slide Master option. A Slide Master tab appears in the ribbon. Step 3. In the left navigation pane, select the Slide Master slide, that is, the first slide. In Slide Master View, each slide below the Slide Master is a master slide for a supporting layout. Step 4. In the Edit Theme group, click on the drop-down arrow of Themes command. From the drop-down list, select a particular theme. Step 5. In the Background group, click on the drop-down arrow of Color and Font and select the required color and font and observe the change in the slides. Step 6. Click on the Background Styles drop-down menu and select the desired background. You will observe that the changes you are applying on the Slide Master are automatically applied to the master slides in the left navigation pane. Creating a new custom layout. If you do not find a standard layout that suits your needs, you can create a custom layout that perfectly suits your slide content. You can customize that layout by adding text-specific and object-specific placeholders. Step 1. Go to the View tab. Step 2. In the Master's View group, select the Slide Master option. A Slide Master tab appears in the ribbon. Step 3. In the Slide Master navigation pane, select the blank layout. You can remove any unwanted or default placeholders in it like date, time or footer, etc. Select it and then press Delete key. Step 4. Now, add a placeholder by clicking on the drop-down arrow of Insert Placeholder command in the Master Layout group. Step 5. Select the type of placeholder from the list like text, picture, chart, table, etc. Step 6. In the slide area, click and drag the mouse to insert a placeholder in a Slide Master. Step 7. From the navigation pane, right-click on the selected layout. From the list, click on the Rename Layout option. Step 8. A Rename Layout dialog box opens. Type the new name for the layout. Click the Rename button. Step 9. Now, save the file by clicking on File Save As. Step 10. In Save As dialog box, type the name of the file. In the Save As type, select PowerPoint Template. Step 11. Click the Save button. Changing color scheme. Every presentation comes with a color scheme. You can change the color scheme of the entire presentation of a single slide. The colors of specific elements on a slide, such as a title and background, can also be changed. To change the color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the Design tab. Step 2. In the Themes group, click on More drop-down arrow to see more themes and select a particular theme by clicking on it. Step 3. Click on the More drop-down arrow in the Variants group. Step 4. When you hover the mouse on various color schemes, it will reflect on the slide. Choose the required color scheme and right-click on it. Choose Apply to All Slides option. Changing background color. You can change the background color of any slide. You can add solid color, picture, or texture to the background. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the Design tab. Step 2. In the Customize group, select the Format Background command. A Format Background task pane opens. Step 3. In the Fill section, select the desired option to fill the background by clicking on the radio button. Step 4. Click on Fill Color drop-down arrow and select the desired color. You can set the transparency of the color by moving the slider of the transparency option. Step 5. Click on Apply to All button present at the bottom of the task pane to apply the selected color to all the slides. Apply SmartArt. SmartArt is a graphics tool that allows you to visually communicate information. Using SmartArt, you can display information using graphics rather than text. It has various styles which include list, cycle, hierarchy, matrix, picture, pyramid, etc. To insert SmartArt, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a blank slide. Go to the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Illustrations group, select the SmartArt command. A SmartArt graphic dialog box appears on the screen. Step 3. From the left side, select the category of SmartArt. Step 4. The middle part displays the related options. Select the desired option. Step 5. The right part shows the preview of the selected SmartArt. Step 6. Click the OK button. A blank text cycle appears on the slide. Click on the text. A cursor appears and type some text in it. Insert a table. To insert a table, follow the given steps. 1. Open a blank slide. Go to the Insert tab. 2. In the Tables group, select the Table drop-down arrow. 3. From the grid, select the number of rows and columns. 4. Click once to add a table in a slide. 5. Click in the first cell, a cursor appears. Type the text and press the Tab key to move to the next cell. Similarly, add data in other cells. 6. Click outside the table. Apply a chart. Charts are useful when you want to show the trends, comparisons, growth, and relationship of the data. To add a chart in a slide, follow the given step. Step 1. Open a blank slide. Go to the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Illustrations group, select Chart command. An Insert Chart dialog box opens. Step 3. Select the chart category from the left pane. Step 4. You will see the various options of the selected chart. Select the required option. A preview will be displayed in the below right pane. Step 5. Click the OK button. Step 6. A chart will appear along with an Excel sheet. An Excel sheet contains some default data. Delete the default data and add your data in it. The added values in the sheet will reflect the chart you have added in a slide. The added values in the sheet will reflect the chart you have added in a slide. Apply a screenshot. A screenshot is a picture of a current display on your screen. To take a screenshot and insert it in your slide, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a blank slide. Go to the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Images group, Click on the drop-down arrow of the screenshot option. Step 3. Select the screen clipping option from the drop-down list. Step 4. A screen will get faded and a plus mouse pointer appears on the screen. Click and drag the mouse to select the area that is to be captured. Step 5. The area will be captured and added to the slide. Knowledge Zone. PowerPoint was created in 1987 by a company called Forethought Incorporated for Macintosh. The extension of a PowerPoint file is .pptx. You can quit the slideshow by pressing the escape key present on the keyboard.